Hi, my name is Naina. I'm 33 years old, a fashion designer from Delhi. I've been associated with the Shatavashak program for about a year. When I joined a year ago, I had a lot of health problems, including weight issues. I had herniated discs in my lower back, a TMJ joint problem, and generally anxiety and stress. And I didn't sort of have any direction. I was generally confused about what I was doing in life in terms of career and personal life. So initially, when I started the Shatavashak program, I saw drastic changes in my weight. I instantly dropped about 5 kgs of weight, and my energy levels increased drastically. Besides that, in the past year that I've been associated with this program, I felt that I'm more aware of what foods are good for me. I'm more aware of how my body reacts to food, and I didn't have this awareness earlier. And the most important thing that I've learned from Jinendra Jain is to love yourself and accept yourself the way you are. And I realized that this is the root cause of all my problems. And now that I'm aware of it, I'm sort of working towards transforming myself and moving towards a healthier life full of love and acceptance. And so this has definitely been an eye-opener for me, this whole experience. And I feel so blessed to have a mentor like Jinendra Jain. Thank you.